Far too many companies live in an illusion of control. You think you know what you have and pay for with thousands of phones, tablets, and computers, when actually, you don't have a clue. But why is this so tricky? Even though all departments have their own systems, there is no overall picture of all hardware. This is often because the device, invoice, and employee using the hardware are not interconnected in a management system. Computers and phones are lying around without being used. This is both costly and unsecure, as well as bad for the environment. 25% of all computers are never recycled. They disappear full of valuable information and environmentally hazardous substances. Yeah, that's right, 1 out of 4. Foxway provides digitalized services to manage all or parts of the hardware linked to the individual employee. This will give you full control of both devices and costs. Environmentally friendly management. Minimized information leakage. Used up hardware is wiped of all information. And easier administration. Skip the illusion. Get in control.